So in today's English class, we're going to discuss the question paper of PT2. If anybody is having that, you can keep it with you. If you're having the hard copies, please keep them with you so that it would be easier for you. Here also, everybody sit attentively. So we'll be discussing the question paper. Be attentive. Leave it. So the first question in the paper was the comprehension passage, and the comprehension passage was of a fisherman and a ghost. Okay, so let us start. First question was, what did the fisherman see one day? So it was very easy. He saw. Now some of the students have started to answer with he saw. बेटे मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया है, told you so many times that whenever you are writing the answers, question answers कभी भी लिखने हैं, never start the question answers with the pronoun. Always write with the noun, name से start करना. So the question was, what did the fisherman see? So your answer, you must have written with, you need to write with the fisherman saw. He से जिन्होंने start किया है, your marks have been deducted for this thing because I always tell you not to use pronouns. Next thing is कि question में did था, so whenever you have did in the question, answer में second form of the verb use होता है, and यहाँ पे did था तो C की जगह answer क्या आएगा? Saw. So the answer would be the fisherman saw a dark brown glass bottle lying on a sand hill. So it was very easy. Next was what happened when the fisherman opened the cap of the bottle. So what happened when the fisherman opened the cap of the bottle? Smoke began to come out of the bottle and it took the form of a huge ghost-like figure. Okay. So again, here also you had to use the second form of the verb. And how you must have written the answer? When the fisherman. अब यहाँ पे when word बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे जिन्होंने when नहीं लिखा, उन्होंने start किया the fisherman opened the bottle. So question पूछा what happened when? तो आपका आंसर भी ऐसे start होगा when the fisherman, जब fisherman. When the fisherman opened the cap of the bottle, smoke came out. Come की जगह क्या जगह came out. Smoke came out of the bottle and took the form of a huge ghost-like figure. Third question was, how did the ghost prove that he came out from the bottle? Here the answer was given, and the answer that was given was, soon he turned into smoke again, and the smoke slowly crept into the bottle. But this is the answer, but you had to write the answer in some other form. Question किस तरह से पूछा गया कि ghost ने कैसे prove किया था that he came out of the bottle? So आपका answer should have been, the ghost proved by turning into smoke again. Smoke में turn होकर उसने prove किया, and the smoke slowly crept into the bottle. Upmanyu, can you be attentive? Do you know how many marks have you got? Yes. Next was fill in the blanks. So in question number 3, what needs to be understood by you is कि question का जिस तरह से form पूछा जाता है, आपको answer almost सब बच्चों को मिल गया. You know you knew where the answer was from, but the thing was कि जिस तरह से question पूछा गया था, hardly कुछ ही students ऐसे थे जिन्होंने answer को उस तरह से change करके लिखा था. Next is filling the blanks. At first, the fisherman got scared. So the answer was scared. Starting में वो एकदम से डर गया था उसे देख के. The ghost turned into dash again. He turned into smoke again. Next was find a word from the story which means the same. Very big means huge. Huge means very big. Okay. Afraid means scared. So these two answers were same in both the questions. Now next question was writing skills, and you were supposed to write a paragraph on the New Year party. बेटे I have told you कि आप जब किसी occasion, किसी event के बारे में लिखते हैं, obviously आप उस event या occasion के बारे में लिखेंगे जो आप already attend कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, आपको event या occasion के बारे में बताना था जो आप attend कर चुके हैं. दैट मीन्स न्यू ईयर पार्टी आपके कौन सी लिखनी थी जो आपने अटेंड की थी. अब काफी बच्चों ने वैसे उन्हें समझ आ गया कि कैसे लिखना था. बट द मेन पॉइंट दैट आई टोल्ड यू वाज कि न्यू ईयर कोई भी इवेंट जब आपने लिखना होता है उसको आप सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब में या पास्ट टेंस में लिखेंगे. यू हैव ऑलरेडी अटेंडेड दैट. आई गो टू द न्यू ईयर पार्टी नहीं होना था, आई वेंट टू द न्यू ईयर पार्टी होना था. आप गए थे. सो टेंस हैज टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. आप लोगों ने टेंस का ध्यान नहीं रखा है. आई टोल्ड यू टू राइट स्मॉल हिंट्स एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द पेज सो दैट आप उन्हीं हिंट्स को बाद में अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करके बड़ा करके लिख पाए. बट हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव रिटन द हिंट्स? Only a few. Very few students have written hints. All right, very good. Those who have written. Then आपने जब स्टार्ट किया तो आपने उसको प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन कई बच्चों ने नहीं दी है कि व्हाट इज यू शुड हैव रिटन वन और टू सेंटेंसेस अबाउट न्यू ईयर पार्टी होती क्या है या कब दी जाती है. ठीक है. देन आपने वहां पे क्या कंटिन्यूटी, मैंने आपको बताया था कि प्रॉपर कंटिन्यूटी में बताना है पहले क्या किया फिर क्या हुआ उसके बाद क्या हुआ. इन दैट वे बिकॉज आप लोगों ने हिंट्स लिखे ही नहीं तो आपने वो पॉइंट्स नहीं नोट डाउन किए पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट एंड दैट्स व्हाई आपकी वो जो सीक्वेंस था दैट वाज नॉट प्रॉपर.
और चार्जर का
नेक्स्ट इज next was the letter. So that was quite same. Now I had added only one point that you have to write a letter to your younger sister advising her to take part in National Sports Day. अब बहुत सारे बच्चों ने पूरा गेम्स वाला व्हाट वी हैड रिटन इन द क्लास वो सारा एज इट इज कॉपी करके चले गए. उन्होंने कहीं पे भी मेंशन नहीं किया नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे को. Not a single time have they written in National Sports Day भी कहीं पे mention ना. Sit properly. कि National Sports Day भी. And another thing, some of the students have written, I hope you will start taking part in National Sports Day. You'll start taking part in the sports events आप लिख सकते हैं general, and you will also participate in the upcoming आने वाला जो sports day national उसमें आप participate करेंगे. Then कुछ बच्चों ने ये भी लिखा है sports games are very good for National Sports Day. Playing games is very good for National Sports Day, or are they good for your health? तो उस चीज को आपने गेम्स को नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के साथ कैसे कंबाइन कर दिया कि जो बच्चे गेम्स खेलेंगे वो गेम्स खेलनी बहुत जरूरी है नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के लिए. ये नॉर्मली आपके लिए गेम्स खेलनी जरूरी होती है. So those who have not mentioned National Sports Day anywhere in the letter, I have deducted marks for that. क्योंकि स्पेशली आपको बताया गया था कि आपने उसमें उसे कहना है कि इसमें तो जरूर वो पार्टिसिपेट करे ही करे. Second point, sit straight. Next was grammar. In grammar, we had two sentences. First question: rearrange the jumbled words to make a meaningful sentence. And it was science gift is television of the grade. So the answer was the television is a great gift of science. Students लिखे गए हैं television, the नहीं लिखा, television is a great gift of the science. The science नहीं होता. So the exact answer was the television is a great gift of science. Next, wearing a hat, his on head was. He was wearing on his head, right? He was wearing a hat on his head. Some of the students, one or two students have also written, was he wearing a hat on his head? That is also correct. Question aayega, but usme fir, was he wearing a hat on his head? Then you need to put a question mark there. Next is separate the subject and predicate in the following sentences. The car in the garage belongs to me. Here, what is the subject here? The car is not the subject here, बेटे. हम सिर्फ कार की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उस पर्टिकुलर कार की बात कर रही हूँ जो गैराज में खड़ी है. So the car in the garage is the subject. Belongs to me is the predicate. The moon shines at night. Here, the moon here is the subject. Shines at night is the predicate. Okay. अगेन आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आप कॉलम्स बना के लिखेंगे या फिर आप प्रॉपर्ली लिखेंगे सब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू दिस, सब्जेक्ट के आगे एरो डाल के और देन प्रेडिकेट एंड दिस, बट स्टिल मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव अंडरलाइंड द सब्जेक्ट एंड द प्रेडिकेट इन द क्वेश्चन आंसर शीट. अभी भी बहुत सारे बच्चे अंडरलाइन करके उसके नीचे लिख गए हैं दिस इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस इज प्रेडिकेट. I have given the marks this time. First next year onwards मैं next year का next term में मैं बिल्कुल marks नहीं दूंगी जो बच्चे ऐसे underline करके आंसर लिखे जाएंगे. Next was pick out the noun and tell the kind. Mr. Khali is known for his strength. So here we have Mr. Khali is the proper noun, and those who have not written Mr. with Khali, उनका आंसर wrong है. I told you कि Mr. आता है या कुछ और आगे Mrs. आता है, Miss आता है, आपको उसको भी underline, उसको भी pick out करना है. So the answer was Mr. Khali is proper noun and strength is abstract noun. Next, change the following, change the number of the nouns in the given sentences. The actor is playing, sorry, the wolf wished to eat the children. So the answer was the wolves wish to eat the children. Child की जगह children हो जाना था. Gitan, you are roaming in the class without the permission of the teacher. Yeah, आपने, did you ask me? Next, change the gender of the given sentence. That actor is playing the role of a monk. So the answer, that actress is playing the role of a nun. Monk will become nun. And another thing, again, मैंने आपको बोला था कि इसमें पूरा sentence form में आंसर लिख के जाना. Did I tell you that? But some of the students have written only wolf, wolves, and then they have written monk, nun. इस तरह से वो लिख के गए हैं. They have not written the whole sentence again. I have not given the complete marks to those students who have not written it complete. Next. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. He was dash first man to arrive. So first जो है वो क्या होता है? First क्या है? Superlative degree है ना? First is a superlative degree. So first के साथ क्या आएगा हमारा the. So he was the first man to arrive. Sanskrit is a difficult language. Next, find out the verb and tell the kind. यहाँ पे find out the verb and tell the kind का question. Some of the students have only written the kind, वो verb find out नहीं करके गए हैं. So the students who have not found out the verb, उनको मैंने marks नहीं दिए. How will I come to know कि आपने कौन से word को verb imagine करके लिखा है? I can't imagine that, no? So I'm not sure whether the answer is correct or not. So that is very necessary कि आप कोई भी, मैंने आपको ये क्लास में बहुत बार इंस्ट्रक्ट किया था that whenever you have anything, any question like that, जहाँ पे आपको pick out करना है and then you have to tell the kind, वहाँ पे अगर आप अकेला kind लिख जाएंगे, उसको pick out नहीं करेंगे, you will not get any marks. So some of the students have not picked out the verb. The first sentence was he slept soundly. Here the verb is slept. And how did he sleep? Soundly is adverb. कैसे सोया था? वो सोया था. वो कैसे सोया था? Soundly. Soundly means बहुत अच्छी नींद, गहरी नींद में सोना. So it is intransitive verb. Next, the coach blew his whistle. What is the verb here? Blew. और उसने क्या whistle किया? What? Whistle. What? Whistle is a noun also. It is giving the question of what also. इसका मतलब वो क्या है? Object है. An object कहाँ पे आता है? Transitive verb में. So it is transitive verb. Next, write past and past participle form of the given verbs. Add, added, added. Dream, dreamt, dreamt होता है इसका. Dreamed नहीं होता. ed नहीं लगता है. It is dreamt, dreamt. Next, pick up the adjectives and tell the kind. There is little tea in the kettle. Little here is adjective. Which kind of adjective is it? Quantity. Why? Because tea को count नहीं कर सकते हैं. कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे आंसर में लिखेंगे little tea adjective of quantity. That is wrong. Little and T दोनों adjectives नहीं है. Adjective only is little. So that I have written T wrong. Okay. Next. That boy in shorts is a player. So here, what is adjective? That. That is which adjective? Demonstrative. Why it is demonstrative? Because इसके बाद boy आ रहा है. Noun आ रहा है. So that here is demonstrative adjective. Next. Fill in the blanks with the suitable degree of adjective given in the bracket. This is the dash of all flowers. Of all flowers, यानी कि दो से ज्यादा में comparison हो रहा है तो superlative degree आएगी. And pretty में y आता है end में तो उसमें क्या लिखेगा? PRETTIES. Next, his brother is a dash to me. अब देखो 2 आ रहा है बेटा यहाँ पे 2. अगर यहाँ पे Dan लिखा होता तो हम लिखते older, बट यहाँ पे 2 आ रहा है. So 2 किसके साथ लगता है? हमेशा elder के साथ ही लगता है. So answer would be his brother is elder to me. Next, iron is dash than any other metal. Any other metal. Yes. More useful or most useful? Then any other. Yes. The online students can write in the chat box also. What do you think? What would be the answer? More useful? What about the others? It is उसका कंपैरिजन है किसी भी दूसरे मेटल से, यानी कि दूसरे मेटल से मतलब दो मेटल्स के बीच कंपैरिजन हो रहा है उसमें और किसी दूसरे में, तो इट इज मोर. We'll use comparative degree here, so answer would be more useful. So iron is more useful than any other metal. अगर यहाँ होता iron is dash of all metals, फिर आता is the most useful. Next is do as directed. He lives in that house. You have to identify the tense. Has, have, had आ रहा है तो उसका मतलब वो perfect tense है. और perfect tense में had कहाँ आता है? कौन से perfect में? Past perfect में. So the answer is past perfect tense. It was raining heavily. Again, ing आ रहा है, इसका मतलब continuous है और साथ में helping verb क्या आ रहा है? Was आ रहा है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Past continuous. Very good. Next. Rekha rings the doorbell. You have to change it into present continuous tense. Rekha is ringing the doorbell. Okay? Is ringing आएगा. All right. So next is the shepherd finds the sheep. You had to change it into simple past. Simple past में क्या rule होता है? Verb का कौन सा form use होता है? Second form. So यहाँ पे find का second form will be found. So answer would be the shepherd found the sheep. But I had given very easy sentences, but still you people have not done it correctly. Next was literature. Okay. Then you had make sentences. Let us discuss the seventh question, that was state whether true or false. The poetry was sad because it had yellow leaves. False. Write the opposite by adding un or im. Patient will become impatient. I am लगेगा. Put the letters in the correct order. That was alarm. ALARM, alarm. Next, who said these words and to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Birds said these words to Neha. Now I told you that whenever you are writing who said to whom, you have to write in complete sentence that birds said these words to Neha, or birds said to Neha. But some of the students have written birds to Neha, only this much. Then I have given half marks only. Because I told you so many times, I instructed so many times in the class, कि पूरा sentence answer लिखना है, but you people don't listen to what the teacher is telling you. Next was match the words with the correct meaning. Target is the goal intended to be. Next, hurried was to walk fast. Then we had a few questions from extended reading. Where was the statue of Happy Prince put up? High above the city on the tall column. Next, the eyes of the statue of Happy Prince were made of two big sapphires. Yes. Last question was MCQ that we had practiced also sometimes in the class. Words that are used to describe a noun or pronoun are called adjective. Describing words कौन से होते हैं? Adjectives होते हैं जो किसी noun या फिर किसी pronoun को describe करते हैं. We use dash tense to express the universal truth. Simple present. Present अगर आप अकेले present लिखोगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Present का मतलब तो simple present भी होता है. Present का मतलब present continuous भी होता है. So the answer is simple present tense. Next, choose the verb in the given sentence. We play hockey. What is the verb here? Play. That was very simple. Okay. So this was all about the question paper. Now I hope कि बहुत सारे students को पता चल गया होगा कि उनके कितने marks आने वाले हैं. अच्छा, how many of you expect to get more than 20 marks in the grammar? Grammar was of 25 marks. How many of you expect to get 20 more than 20 in grammar? Okay, very good. अभी क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करने के बाद लग रहा है सबको कि 20+ होंगे मिस्टेक्स देख के अपने. How many mistakes could you find out? How many of you say कि मेरा कोई भी wrong नहीं है? Raise your hands. मेरा कोई भी wrong नहीं है. Grammar में? Okay, very good. Right.